So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD, then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, we're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. Now we're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset and click on enter again. It's going to ask you to restart your computer, but do not restart it yet to complete the next steps in the video. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter, you want to double click on it, and then click on properties, and then click on Internet Protocol version 4, double click on this. Now you want to select use the following DNS server address, make the first line 8888, and for the second line 8844. And also on this one right here, make sure you have obtain an IP address automatically selected, and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you want to head over to search again and type in network reset, click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on reset now, and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer automatically in 5 minutes, or you could just restart it yourself, and then the problem should be fixed.